feature along the top here is what's called Focused Views. These are your preset options that come with your account, but we can add additional ones. So first, let me tell you what these are. So they are Focused Views because they focus your attention on whatever it is you'd like to see. So in this case, we have overspent. So if we just want to look at our overspent categories, that's what we can do here. If we want to see just what is underfunded for the month, it narrows down our view so we can see it here, right? Now, this is also useful for creating specific views for maybe you just want to see the top categories that you need to focus on every single day at a quick glance. So in order to do that, you can click here and say New View. And let's say, maybe we just say Top Daily Priorities. And for that, we want to be able to see what do we have in our groceries, gas, dining out, pets, and maybe that's good for now. So we hit save. Now we have those right there. So you can easily see at a glance, what do I have for groceries? What do I have for gas? Instead of having to scroll through your whole list, trying to remember, wait, where's groceries? No, it's up here. Is it somewhere? Right, there it is. We can just say, here's what I want to focus on. Here's what I just need a quick glance at. Or maybe this is good for, one spouse who just wants to see their own spending categories. What do they have in certain categories that are easy to see? So those are your focused views. You can create ones, edit them as you see fit.